Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nadine and I am back with another video. In today's video, it's going to be all about threading. I've been threading at home on my own for years now, and it's basically just been a pretty consistent part of my maintenance routine, and I thought that it would be nice to come and show you guys how I do it. And yeah, so we're going to learn how to thread this mustache. My eyebrows look pretty good, so we're not going to get into that just yet, but we're going to do the upper lip today. So we're just gonna hop right into it. I'm a baby. Y'all might think I'm a little extra for this, but I do like to use a numbing cream when I do my upper lip because I feel like it hurts so much more than when you do your eyebrows. The numbing cream that I like to use is the Ebonel Numb 520. This is what it looks like. And I've been using it for years. I've even used this when I got waxed once, and it helps so much with the pain. So I'm just going directly into the product with a Q-tip, pretty decent amount, and I'm just going to smear it over the area. You don't want to rub it in like as if you were to rub in lotion. You simply just want to like apply it so it's like a layer over your skin. Okay, so this is basically what you should look like once you have it applied. And just to improve the absorption of the product and to make it a bit more effective, you can cover it with a piece of plastic or a piece of saran wrap. So I got a piece of plastic right here, and I'm just gonna place it right on top of my lip. Please don't mind the noise outside, y'all. I live in New York, it's loud. Okay, so we're looking a little crazy, but trust me, it works, okay? Just trust me. I'm gonna leave this on for like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna start the threading process. Okay, so it is about time for us to take this off, so I'm just gonna peel off the plastic. I can literally already feel how numb it is. Like, this stuff works like a charm. But I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe everything away. Bruh, it's so numb. That's crazy. So I'm just gonna try to get the area as dry as possible. If you have powder, you can go ahead and apply that because it will help a lot with the grip. And it'll make the hair removal a little more effective. Okay guys, so you can just go ahead and get any type of thread. I literally just use regular sewing thread. This is the little roll that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to take a piece off about the length of a ruler and just break it off. And then I'm going to tie a knot at the ends. Alright, so this is what the thread looks like once you tie the knot at the end of it. And you take one hand and you just start to twist, and as you can see, you kind of start to like get this little twist in the middle of it. And when you open one end, it moves in one direction, and then with the other it moves in the opposite direction. And that's basically what we're going to be using to remove the hair. It's literally just going to pick the hair up as it glides across. So before I start, I'm going to go ahead and just apply some powder to the area. Like I said before, it just makes the hair removal a bit easier. So I'm just gonna dust some powder on to my upper lip. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. You can kind of see the patch of hair. So what I like to do is use my tongue to push the area forward. This helps to just create tension, and it reduces pain, and it reduces the risk of you getting any tears from the thread. So go ahead, go to the area that I want to thread, and go straight across like that, and it removes the hair. So just from me doing that little patch, you can already see the difference, and you do want to make sure that you go pretty quick. because again, it just, the faster you do it, the less it hurts. So you can see as I thread, the hair is growing in this direction, so I'm using my thread to go upward in an upward diagonal motion against the area of hair growth. So that's what it looks like now. You can already see it looks so significantly different. Okay, so that's this side. So you can see this is what this side is looking like. And it's kind of hard for you to see the hair on this side since I have the powder on, but you can already see the difference. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side, hold it at an angle, and go upwards. All right, so I think that we are about done. So whenever I finish threading, I like to go in and apply something that's a bit cooling to the area. I literally just use some cool water. You can use witch hazel if you like, but I just use some cool water on a gauze, or you could take a cotton swab or whatever and apply it over the area to soothe it a little bit. But yeah, the Thayer's witch hazel works like a charm as well. But that's pretty much it, you guys. It's very easy, it's super simple to do yourself, and you can literally save so much money over time from just learning a simple maintenance skill, because you already know being a girl is expensive. Okay, so whatever I can learn to do myself, I 100% do. This is pretty much it. I feel like it looks so much better. Obviously it's red, it's swollen, the swelling will go down, but it looks significantly much better, and it just gives your face such a cleaner look. So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will see you in the next video.